Welcome back everyone to the Hello World guys. This is another episode of the Asteroids game series, and in this video we are not going to do anything major. Instead it's going to be a very short video in which we are going to fix a little bit of a bug or problem, you could say, that we have with our code. So if you remember, in the last video we implemented a to remove list in order to safely remove the things that we have got problems like inside of our vector here, but it could still cause problems, and the reason is that we are currently pushing without any other thing. And in this video I originally planned to get started with the enemy making, but I realized that since enemies are going to be spawned dynamically at runtime, it can cause problems to not have a better method to add stuff to the list, because it could cause a bunch of problems if the if you append something to the vector. So instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another list which only consists of entity pointers, not iterators, and it's going to be called to add list. Now what we are going to do with this list is going to be very similar to the to remove list, but also a bit different, which is that we are going to of course clear it at each iteration of the loop. We are going to clear the to add list, and when we are removing everything we are also going to go over the add list. So we are going to run a for loop for we can say list we can say pointer, every pointer, because it is going to be a pointer inside of our to add list. To add list, actually not to add, to add. So to add list we are going to go over each of those, and then we are just going to say entries, actually not entries, entities dot push back, and we are going to push back our whatever pointer we have got here. And this is going to make our system a bit more secure, and of course we need to make sure we actually flush it here. So you need to make sure you've got these two lines. And the other thing we need to do is make sure that we don't add to the entities directly here. Instead what we must do is we must instead of saying just entities dot pushback, we can say to add list dot pushback. It's still going to be very similar to what we had in that original one. And yeah guys, this is pretty much it for this video. As I said, this was just a short quick fix, and I just wanted to get it over with quickly, and in the next video we can finally get started with an enemy spawning system, and then we can then after that we'll get on the physics and collision detection. So stay tuned for that, because those two are going to be very interesting episodes. So you want to like and subscribe so you don't miss that video, and I'll see you in the next one, and share this video with other people as well, and bye.